So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can run the APK files on your Windows 11. Now in order to do it you just need an emulator, Android emulator that is used to install the application. Now I'll tell you a very basic and very useful emulator. You can easily find it on the any of the browser. Just simply open any browser and type BlueStacks. Once you type it, here you're gonna see an Android emulator that you can easily download. And once you download and install it, you can easily able to install the Android applications that are available on the Android games. You can easily install them on your system, and you can play games as well, run applications, and do whatever you want. You can do it on the Mac or the PC. If you have a Mac, you can do the same steps as well, because BlueStack is available for Mac also. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.